Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 3120, count the number of special characters I. So going to read out the spec here. You're given a string word. A letter is called special if it appears both in lowercase and uppercase in Word. Return the number of special letters in Word. So Word is AAB, BC. Special characters are A, B, and C because they both have a lowercase and an uppercase counterpart. The length is going to be between 150 and it's only going to have lowercase or uppercase English letters. So, going to go over to my notes here and write down any ideas. So, the first thing that kind of comes to mind is we need to find a way to know which characters have upper and lower cases. So, to do that, I was thinking what we can do is if we were to turn it into a set, we'd only have one instance of each character, and if we were to sort them, the we would have the string sorted and with only unique characters. So we could try printing that out and see how it looks. I think that's the first thing. So turn string into a set and sort. So I just want to see how that looks first. So print, let's say word, set word, and we're gonna sort it as well. This was never closed. Let's run. So we get this. So let's take that back to our notes and see how we can modify this. So we get the uppercase characters first, which is interesting. So we'll have a upper array. Iterate through characters. If it is upper, add it to the array. And then what we can do is iterate through once more. Check if character is in upper array. If it is, add 1, or we'll just say if it is, increment output by 1, and then we're just going to return. This is definitely not the most efficient way to do this, but it works. So that's the way that we're gonna do it. So take our notes. So we're gonna say sorted set word is equal to this. Let's print that out. We should still get the same thing. Perfect. So we have our upper array. So what we're going to do is for character in this, what we're going to say is if character dot is upper, upper dot append character. Then we can say okay, yeah. Yeah. If it is upper, then we're gonna add it. I'm just realizing there's way more efficient ways that this could be done, but I'm just gonna continue with this for now. So for character in the sorted set of words, if it's an uppercase character, add it to the upper array. Cool. For character in this, what we're going to do is if character dot is lower and character dot is upper is in or in upper, output incremented, and then we're going to return output. Let's see what upper is. So we should have ABC for the first one. Okay. Oh, not as upper. Car dot upper and upper. That should work. There we go. Submit this and hopefully test cases will pass. Not the most efficient way to do this at all, but it works, so I'm happy with that. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please let me know, leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching the video and I hope you have a great day.